Hello everyone! We're back with a new video about outdoor cameras, and specifically the model K23 with the app SAP HD, manufactured by Wanscam. As we always do, we're going to start this video by showing the contents included in the package. The camera uses a 12-volt power charger with a small connector. Place this protector on the back of the camera to prevent water from going inside. Included are some screws to fix the camera to the wall, and this part to loosen these camera screws and adjust the tilt. Use this plastic protector to prevent water going inside the Ethernet connector and protect these connections when using the camera outdoors. As it is a wireless model, you can use this included antenna to connect the camera without an Ethernet cable. It has a very elegant front, with the brand printed on top in a discreet way. Use a small screwdriver to open the bottom cover and show the inside of the camera. Carefully open this part to not break the speaker wire. Inside is the electronic part of the camera, and although it is not appreciated, you also have a slot to insert the micro SD memory card. You will need to use the included tweezers to place the memory card in the slot. To control the camera, we need to download the app SAP HD and connect the camera with an Ethernet cable or directly with Wi-Fi, as we're going to do in this video. Click on the button with the plus sign in the upper right. Choose the first option, not connected to the internet. The second option is Wi-Fi connection. At this point, the camera should have been previously reset. If you're not sure about the factory settings, you can press the reset button for about 10 seconds. The name of the Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to and that the camera will connect to will appear in the first box. Input the password to access your Wi-Fi network in the second box. Raise the volume of your mobile phone while listening to this sound, and put the camera closer to the mobile phone and your router. Let's speed the video up to show the process quicker. At the end, the camera ID will appear, and you will only have to confirm the default access password. In this way, the connected camera will appear to be able to see the images from anywhere you are. The first time you log in, an update might be necessary. Now you can see images from the camera almost in real time. Click on the upper configuration icon to see all the options the app will allow you. Go back and click on the configuration wheel. You can see all the configuration options. We will leave a link to the instruction manual with you in the description of the video, so that you can see all the functions it has. And with all this, we finished this video that we hope you liked to figure out how to configure the camera directly with Wi-Fi.